Hello everyone, welcome to mbzs.com. So as you all know guys that this year was tough for all the NEET PG aspirants. Initially the exam was late and now the counseling is getting delayed. Approx 1,70,000 of students gave this exam and 5% among them are assured with their seats and admission, and 85% of people has already started preparing for next exam. But what about the rest 10% of students who stuck in between? These 10% of students lie between around 8,000 rank to 30k rank. These students are highly confused. They are in dilemma what to do and what not to. 2022 exam dates have already been released. These 10% students are finding it difficult to take decision of drop due to lack of motivation. It's not easy to study without any motivation, but I am of the opinion that if they are not satisfied with their result, if they are not getting their desired branch, then it's the time to start studying, because you are going to study in your branches forever and ever. And 2021 counseling schedule and 2022 exam dates are lying pretty close to each other. It will be worth taking the risk because you guys will be getting your desired branches. And to help you out, I am here with a study plan so that you can complete your course and revision as well before March 2022. So as you know, it's already December. So we have only 3 months left. Which are approximately 90 days. So we divide it into 60 days and last 30 days. Okay, we have 19 subjects from which some are short subjects. So starting with the short subject itself, so I'm giving first 4 days to your short subject, which are Dharma, Psychiatry, Anesthesia and Radio. You can revise these subjects from your notes. Okay, but I don't prefer revising radiology with your notes or book. Only revise images which are important for your exam. It will hardly take half an hour to revise the radiology subject, and for your revision I will be providing a video which will help you with all the important radiological images which might be asked in your exam. So subscribe the channel and turn on the bell notification icon so that you can get the notification of that video also. So we have completed 4 subjects. Now another 4 days for medicine, 3 days for OBGY, 2 days for anatomy, 2 days for physiology, and 2 days for biochem, 1 day for forensic medicine, 3 days patho, 3 days pharma, 2 days for microbiology. Okay, now 4 days for surgery, 1 day for peds plus ortho. Okay, 2 days for PSM, 3 days for ENT plus ortho. Okay, so you can complete this revision in around 37 days. Okay, you can complete this in 37 days. But what about the rest days? You have to give around 4 GTs. So there will be 4 GT days in between, plus every 5th day will be your Q bank day. Okay, You don't have to revise anything. You just have to do your QBank, or you can make the custom modules. And remember, don't take MCQ of any particular subjects. All 19 subjects should be taken simultaneously so that you can revise more topics at the time. Okay, every 5th day will be your QBank day. Now, this is the schedule of 7 days around, or we can say 50 days. Okay, I know everyone can't follow this fast strategy, so the remaining 10 days can be adjusted according to their convenience, and those who can follow this will have an advantage of 10 days. In those 10 days they can start another short of revision, so it will help boost their confidence. So this is the strategy plus motivational video. I think you have to start your study as soon as possible, so you will not regret after the 3 month. So this is all for this video. Hope you like this video. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your friends, and also subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.